Okay, let's go with the next one, which is crystals and highlights. I think I need to change the the title because the plan was to put the crystals in the previous video, but that's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna record another one. And I also realized that if I mess up the files or audio or video for one stage, I'm basically screwed because then I would have to record another one from that point. We're using Jade Green. I decided to make, to go with it, and the same as I painted the previous one. And light green. I already shook them. Don't forget to shake your paints. And we're using cheap brush to mix them. A little bit of water, wipe it so you don't transfer the water. Wash, wipe, spread. Okay, this one just needs a little bit of water. We want it to be thick-ish, so it's not it doesn't have to be that kind of liquid like previous ones. So just one drop of water. Again, mix it a bit in the middle so you have that in-between color. Mix the green one, the light green, and mix the jade. You can even go as far as to the brown. So we can actually go from the dark one, which the darker is jade. This one is washed. We're going to use this smaller pointy brush. It's already washed, it's wet, wiped. And let's use the one that a little bit covered with the leather brown, beastie brown, maybe charred brown. Okay, so first one is here. This vertex corner of his arm, like this. Again, thin layer, so you can actually see the background color through it. Next one is here, this part, if I'm getting it correct. I don't want to mess it. It's like, I love those crystals, how they give Rocky that final amazing touch of the color. And it's not color that I would pick. It's like straight from my mind. It's like, yeah, let's put brown and then jade crystals. It's like, what? But it makes sense. It's awesome. It's kind of like oxidation on copper, if you guys saw it. And where's the other one? Okay, other one is on this scissor leg. I'm gonna wipe it, lick it. It's here. Yeah. So we're targeting this leg. Again, there's no distinctive line for those crystals, so you just have to put it kind of randomly, the finish line. very thin. The first one, the jade one, will be really thin, and then we're gonna end up finish it up with the light green. And those are just my guesses at the back. I didn't check. I didn't have any way to check those. Maybe from the premiere when he was on the red carpet. You could see it from the back. See him. But no, I didn't check. Let's put one here. Why not? Okay. So, and the idea is that we start where we started with the jade, because it's gonna be already dry. And let's go with the light green. And we leave only a little bit at the edge for the jade. If it's wet, that doesn't matter. It's gonna be weirdly blended anyway. It's a crystal. It goes with different shades. Like you have jades in different shades, different mixtures. Of course, there are more expensive jades and less expensive jades. But again, kind of sloppy, kind of careless. Almost lazy with the color. Okay, and a little bit here. I'm looking at the model and I have that constant fear that I was like, I'm painting it, but I'm not showing it to you guys. And what we can do, this one here, this is the thing that I mentioned before. This is the part that he got from Adrian. So maybe we can paint it with the mix of the middle part, the mix of jade and light green. We can actually go like this, wipe it, because this is like a precision job. Keep it quite flat, parallel-ish to the arm. Start in the middle with the tip, and then just go with it. Oh, I messed it up. No worries, you can just wipe it off. In the middle, too much paint, you know? Too much paint, too liquid. Yeah, better. And then it's gonna dry, it's gonna be perfect. That little present from Adrian for his trip, I think, for his marriage. I don't know what's the culture of this one. And yeah, and this is done. And now we're gonna brush it with the pale sand. This one we're gonna just need 2-3 drops of paint. We're gonna use this brush, the wide one, the big one. You can as well use, as I mentioned, you can use the makeup brush, right? I don't use those, but some people use it. I think I even have it. I think I left them in Poland when I moved. But this one is also cheap art store brush, so no worries for this one, you know. Okay, I think it's dry, so we can fold our paper towel. Too lazy to go to the kitchen to get a new one, but this size should be okay. I'm gonna move Rocky here, this one here. This brush we're not gonna use. Wash it later. Just make sure that They're washed in the jar, so the paint is not there. How are we gonna do the dry brushing? Let's put this one here. 2-3 drops. Maybe 2. Let's start with 2. No water whatsoever. And then just put some paint, not too much, because we're gonna wipe it off anyway. It's like this. And then we wipe it. It's like the best would be to have black gloves, so you can just check. Okay, I checked it on the mat. And now the rule is that you go against the edges, against all the details, like that, and then it pops up. Don't overdo it. If you're already happy with the result, skip that place already. Like move to the other one. Go with the edges, okay, against the edges, against the details, like maybe a little bit flatten, back and forth, this way. Okay, and we're going arm by arm. Try with this one. Maybe it's not too dry. Okay, it's dry. It dries really fast, so we have to be quicker with this one. And if your Rocky looked too monotone, too colorful, like maybe too orangey to your liking, this one will just gonna a bit desaturate him. Okay. We don't want to use any lines on the body. We just need to highlight those details that protrude. Remember what I said, that the arm, the vertical arm, the closest to the viewer is most important. This is the moment. We even go against that crystal from Adrian. Okay. It's always when I paint my other miniatures, and this technique is basically used for the base of the miniature. You also wipe through the details on the base, which is probably rock or stones or something, ground, dirt. At the beginning, it was a really scary part because I don't want to mess it up. I spent like 20-30 minutes putting paint on that base in different shades, in different colors. And now people are telling me to put aggressively some kind of color and probably mess it up. But no worries. If you follow my moves, my technique, it's gonna end up pretty well. Again, it's rocky material body. So it's better to underdo it than overdo it. I think I'm gonna need another drop, probably. When you're done with this one, remember to wash the brush. I know it's dry brushing, it dries really fast, but then it sticks to the brush. And if you're planning to make another Rocky, then that will save you the brush. Those guys in the background still watching. Yeah. So when you're done, message me. I'm gonna put my email on the website. Message me the final result, or find me on Facebook or whatever. I'm really wondering how you guys will paint yours. Just give me comments on the video with some feedback. What did you like? What you didn't like? What was horrible? This is my first video like this, so be gentle. And yeah, and that's it. I'm gonna wash the paint and the brush a little bit later. Whew, it's good to be out of the glove. Yeah, I know that it's not super dry yet, but I just want to show you the details. Okay. We don't highlight the bottom because it's in the shade, so we don't want to do that. You can with the different dark brown, but we don't have that, so we skip that. The most important is the top part. I think this part is the best part for the best part of this miniature. This part and those two arms saying hello. Such a pleasure to show you guys how to paint it. Such a great experience. New experience, new skills, right? Thank you guys. Send me a message, send me an email or whatever, and see you later.